Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good morning to all. Yang berbahagia Datuk Syed Zaid Alba, Securities Commission Malaysia Chairman, my fellow FIMM board members, distinguished speakers and moderators, industry leaders and stakeholders, members of FIMM and distributors, unit trusts, companies and PRS consultants, investment industry professionals. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to virtual FIMMAC 2021. On behalf of the team at FIMM, I would like to thank everyone for joining us at our inaugural virtual FIMM Annual Convention, or better known as FIMMAC. It's been a long but fulfilling journey in FIMM's history. For the first time, FIMMAC is hosting a virtual conference. As some of you would know, FIMMAC is FIMM's flagship event and is usually done physically. It is an event where unit trust scheme and private retirement scheme consultants, members of the investment management industry and the public come together to share, learn and discuss impactful topics across the entire fund management industry. Our plans were ready to organize FIMMAC in 2020, but then we were hit by the pandemic. As much as we wanted to bring the fund management industry together, we had to postpone for everyone's safety. That brings us to 2021, where we have adapted to the new normal and accelerated digitalization. The pandemic has forced the world and our industry to accept, accelerate and adapt to live in a new normal that gets newer every day. As the shift towards recovery mode intensifies, business and people are now looking at the next normal. With that, we are proud to present to you the virtual FIMMAC 2021 themed The Next Normal. This year's focus is on the key findings identified by FIMM's 2021 Investment Management Survey, which highlights the industry's experience then and now and the expectations of what is to come. The survey's objective is to share with industry practitioners, consultants, as well as the investing public on how the unit trust schemes and private retirement schemes have navigated through the pandemic and how they will remain relevant and resilient in the future. As the survey's findings form the premise of this event's discussion, I would like to offer a prelude to what is in store for this entire week. Based on feedback from the participating members and distributors, both internal and external factors pose great risks to the respondents' organizational growth. However, in dealing with COVID-19, the industry was more concerned with internal factors than external factors. Consequently, internal factors were the drivers for the overall growth compared to external factors, and these factors will continue to drive the industry's growth and retain its resilience in 2021. Therefore, areas of focus in 2021 to achieve sustainable fund performance and economic growth, accelerate growth, technology, and enhance customers' experience. The most likely composition of asset allocation in the next 12 months, traditional mainstream assets such as fixed income and mixed asset classes. To broaden portfolio allocation in the overseas markets. And 3, develop new investment product services. The sessions today and tomorrow will discuss further on these topics. Today's session will focus on the theme of transitioning into and during the new normal. Tomorrow, the speakers will explain how things are shifting into the next normal. Ladies and gentlemen, For this year's FIMMAC, we have over 2,000 registered participants, where a total of about 1,100 are industry practitioners from 61 companies. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your active participation. I am pleased to also share with you that this year's FIMMAC 2021, we are introducing the Industry Education Series from the 27th to the 29th of October, which is open to the public, making up for the remaining 900 registered participants. This is where university and secondary school students, retirees, and potential investors will get to learn about investing, saving for their future, and how to protect their investments. This session is also open to consultants and industry practitioners. The following themes will be covered over the next 3 days: investment planning, investor protection, the do's and don'ts of what to look out for when you are investing. Ladies and gentlemen, 2020 has been an extraordinary year with challenges unheard of and unprecedented in our lifetime. COVID-19 continues to dominate the attention of governments, companies, and ordinary people throughout the world. Nonetheless, FIMM and the Malaysian funds industry have shown remarkable resilience in the face of adversity. Whilst investment sentiments were severely affected in the initial shock of global lockdown, the markets gradually recovered, albeit with caution as seen in its volatility. The unit trust industry grew, a testament to Malaysian investors understanding the value of investing for long-term financial security. There is always a silver lining in every crisis. To my mind, this pandemic has forced FIMM to transform into a technology-centric company in its various internal and external activities. A technology-centric FIMM was always a topic for discussion. Some initiatives were introduced and others were re-strategized. Like many other organizations, we moved to transform, but it was never urgent. A crisis forces transformation, and I'm happy to share that FIMM has overcome those challenges. The members and stakeholders of FIMM have made and continue to make significant contributions for the betterment of industry. Now we embark on a new chapter of this journey. As the advent of COVID-19 has changed industry norms and practices, FIMM will need the members' continued insight and support to adapt the industry towards changes forced upon us by new circumstances. This is where I must express our thanks to members for your efforts and urge you to continue your active participation in the various initiatives and projects conducted by FIMM. More than ever, we need clear channels of communications between FIMM and its members. We will continue to push the envelope and strive for improvement to ensure we meet our objectives as an advocate for the development and industry and growth of this industry. With that, I would like to end by once again thanking everyone here today for taking some time to join us at Virtual FIMMAC 2021. I'm confident that you will benefit from this convention and leverage from the insights shared by subject matter experts lined up for this convention. I do hope when the situation permits, we will get the opportunity to hold FIMMAC in the usual mode. Till then, take care, stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you next year. Wassalam. Thank you very much, everyone.